unboxing the TP-Link router TL-WR940N. This router is having a wireless and speed up to 450 Mbps. This is ideal for bandwidth-intensive tasks like HD video streaming, VoIP and online gaming. This can be configured by a smartphone, tablet, and computer. Also, these are the basic components of the router. We will unbox the router. This has an 802.11n technology and 15 times faster with 5 times the range. We will open the box. Let's try to bring out what is inside it. So, the box includes router manual and basic details about the router. This is the router itself with the color of black. This also has 3 Wi-Fi antennas. We can look more details on the back of the router and the default Wi-Fi password. This also comes up with a white UTP LAN cable. We can use this wire to connect the router from the modem to access it. This is the power adapter of the router which will turn on the device. So, we will try to connect the power adapter to the router if it really fits. This is the power plug, the power switch, the reset button, the WAN or wide area network port, and lastly, the 4 Ethernet LAN ports. So, let us connect the power adapter to the router. We can connect this other end of the UTP cable to the computer. Next, we will connect it on the LAN port of the computer. Wait for the computer icon on the lower right of the desktop to see if the computer is connecting to the router. Wait for a few seconds, so that the computer will obtain IP address from the router. Then, either choose between the two. Open any web browser. Enter the default IP address of the router, which 192.168.79.1. We will be prompted to the login page of the TP-Link router. Now, we will log in with the default username and password. Username, which is admin, and password also admin, then click login. So, this is the dashboard or interface of the router. We will try to open the tab WAN or wide area network. We can set the WAN connection type of your internet. Next, we will open the LAN tab. Next, we will open the wireless tab. We can change the Wi-Fi name or SSID. Then, wireless security to change the password of the Wi-Fi. Here, in the LAN tab, we can change the default IP address of the router. We will try to change it with IP 192.168.79.1 and click Save. Now, router will be rebooting and we will wait up until it finishes the reboot. So, now, we have the new IP address of the router. Let's try to log in again with the default router credentials. Next, we will try to change default username and password. Click on the System Tools tab. Click on the Password sub-tab. Enter the old username and password. Next, enter the new password you want to put in. And let's try to log in with the new credential. Now, we will try to change the default SSID or wireless network name. We'll change it to My Wi-Fi and click the Save button. Also, we will change the default Wi-Fi password into 123456789 and click Save. That is it. We finish unboxing and configuring the TP-Link router.